Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do word meanings, reference to context, and question answers of the chapter The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. Now let's begin with word meanings. Our first word is demos. Wealthy landowners of Japan. Snug, comfortable. Gleamed means glittered. Coaxed, persuaded. Twenties, tasty food. Covetous, greedy. Carcass, dead body. Mortar, bowl. Stingy, miserly. Withered, barren, dry. Seized, caught. Now let's do working with the text, that is question answers of the chapter. Question number 1. The old farmer is a kind person. What evidence of his kindness do you find in the first two paragraphs? The old farmer was a kind person. He and his wife had a pet dog named Muko as his baby. Having no children, they loved it as though it were a baby. They fed him fish from their own chopsticks and all the boiled rice he wanted. He was patient and kind to everything that had life, and often turned up a sword on purpose to give food to the birds. Now, question number 2. What did the dog do to lead the farmer to the hidden gold? Answer. The dog came running to the farmer and kept on whining and running to and fro till the farmer followed him. The dog began a lively scratching, thinking it was possibly a buried bone of fish. The farmer stuck his hoe in the earth and found the hidden gold. Now, question number 3, part 1. How did the spirit of the dog help the farmer first? The spirit of the dog asked the farmer in his dream to cut down the pine tree over his grave and make a mortar for rice pastry and a mill for the bean sauce. Part 2. How did it help him next? The spirit of the dog informed the farmer in his dream that his wicked neighbors had burnt the handmill. He advised him to take the ashes of the mill and sprinkle them on the withered trees and they would bloom again. Question number 4. Why did the Jamo reward the farmer but punish his neighbor for the same act? The farmer had the magical ashes. He made the old withered cherry tree blossom once again by sprinkling the ashes. So the Jamo rewarded the farmer for this. When his greedy neighbor heard about it, he took the ashes and, when Jamo was passing on the highway, he threw a handful of ashes over the tree. The tree did not blossom and blew the fine dust in the nose and eyes of the Jamo and his wife. That is why his neighbor punished for the same act. Now let's do reference to context of the same chapter. Now here is the passage and we are going to do question answers from the given passage. Now here reference passages. So the old man chopped down the tree and cut out of the middle of the trunk a section about 2 feet long. With great labor, partly by fire, partly by chisel, he scraped out a hollow place as big as a small bowl. He then made a long-headed hammer of wood, such as is used for pounding rice. When New Year's time drew near, he wished to make some rice pastry. Now questions. Which tree did the old man chop down? The old man chopped down the pine tree over the grave of his pet dog. How did the old man scrape out a hollow place? The old man scraped out a hollow place with great labor, partly by fire and partly by chisel. What kind of hammer did he make? He made a long handled hammer of wood, such as is used for pounding rice. Okay student, question answers are over. Have a nice day.